How do genetics influence auditory impairment? Have you ever wondered how our genes can affect our ability to hear? Genetics play a crucial role in auditory impairment, influencing how we hear from the moment we are born and throughout our lives. Let's explore how this happens. Hearing loss can be inherited in several ways. It can follow patterns like autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, X-linked, or even mitochondrial inheritance. These genetic variations can impact any part of the auditory system, including the outer ear, auditory nerve, and even the brain areas that process sound. Some people may be born with hearing loss, while others may develop it as they age. There are two main types of genetic hearing loss. Non-syndromic hearing loss occurs without other medical conditions. This type is often due to mutations in genes that are vital for the cochlea, the inner ear organ that helps us hear. On the other hand, syndromic hearing loss is part of a syndrome that includes other symptoms, such as developmental delays. Conditions like Usher syndrome and Waardenburg syndrome are examples where hearing loss is accompanied by additional health issues. Certain genetic mutations can disrupt how the cochlea works. These mutations can affect the hair cells and the basilar membrane, which are essential for converting sound waves into signals that the brain can understand. Research has shown that in some families with conditions like Muckle-Wells syndrome, the basilar membrane plays a significant role in hearing impairment. Other genetic changes can influence how sound information is transmitted through the neural pathways. Genetic variants can also impact the overall development of the nervous system. For instance, genes involved in chromatin remodeling, like the SWISNF complex, have been linked to hearing loss and other neurodevelopmental disorders. This means that some genetic factors can affect the entire auditory pathway, leading to various forms of hearing impairment. If you or someone you know is experiencing hearing loss, genetic testing can be a valuable tool. It can help identify whether the hearing loss has a hereditary cause, especially if there's a family history or if it appears early in life. Understanding the genetic basis of hearing loss can guide treatment options and management strategies. It can also help distinguish between genetic hearing loss and other causes, such as noise exposure or infections. Current medical understanding emphasizes that while genetics significantly contribute to hearing impairment, it is often a combination of genetic and environmental factors. There are no miracle cures for genetic hearing loss, but early diagnosis and interventions like hearing aids or cochlear implants can greatly improve quality of life. In summary, genetics influence auditory impairment by affecting critical structures and functions related to hearing. Different genetic mutations can lead to various types and severities of hearing loss. Understanding these factors is essential for accurate diagnosis and treatment, paving the way for better hearing health.